Sammy.
Have a seat. Have a seat real quick. You don't tell me to. Have a seat. I don't understand. What don't you understand about have a seat right there? We're going to eat now. Okay. You're not doing a very good job over there. I'm not doing a very good job. Have a seat. Have a seat. How loud? A seat. Thank you, sir. All right. The reason we were contacting you, okay, is because you just bounced into a boat. Okay, out of the boat crash. How much do you have to drink today? You're the dead hand driver. Okay, you reek of alcohol. So how dead hand are you? Can't swim. That's today. What time today? Okay, how drunk
Go Casey. Go Casey.
What else do you need?
I ain't gonna go potty, huh?
Because you smelled alcohol while you're talking to me. I'm over 6 inches away from your face.
Casey.
And you just stopped into a roll boat. I understand that. Okay? You just crashed in the boat. If you're going to leave a boat, is it okay to back in before dark?
Somebody peed. Oh wow.
That's what you just did. I didn't say that was
Casey.
I'm saying that we're going to find out. When I tell you to, what I want you to do is bring a tip your finger down being a tip. To very tip your nose, bring it right back down to your side and wait for the front. Okay? Okay, close your back, close your eyes. Wow.
Get it. Get it, Scatters.
Go on, you Sam.
Get it, Scatters. Get it. Oh, no, that's not Scatters. I can see who that is through the camera. Hey, you two quit arguing.
3, 4. Okay? I want you to clap 3 times. Count it out loud. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands back in that same position. 4, 3. Yeah, I know, it is kind of funny, isn't it? Yeah, I know, I love it. Let's do it, okay? Humor me. Okay? We're not done with the instructions yet. You want to go and just start it for a moment? See what happens? 1, 2, 3. Hands back in the same position. 4, 3, 2, 1.